In this video, I'm going to talk about the new feature which is available within Power Platform environment named as membership. Now, you might have seen of late a menu appears when you select an environment, as you see over here. If you select this three dot against a specific environment, you see an option for membership. Now, what it is? Now, there are multiple ways through which you can navigate to the membership. You can go to the environment directly, and then you can click on top, or you can navigate through the context menu. Now, what a membership is basically defines a membership for the environment. It allows you to view the system administrator role based on the users in the tenant. Now, you can add yourself if you have the correct roles assigned in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. It is visible for users having the Power Platform Administrator role. So, if you have a Power Platform Administrator role, then you should be able to view this. View the list of other administrator within your environment. Power Platform Administrator, they can sign into and manage multiple environments. Okay, so from a Microsoft 365 administration perspective, if you have been assigned a service administrator of, say, Power Platform Administrator role, then for a specific environment within Power Platform, you need not even be part of any security group. You can sign into and manage multiple environments. This setting is not affected by security group membership. You can manage environment even if you're not part of any security role. You can perform basic high level admin functions in Microsoft Power Platform. Now, let's jump into the demo. So there are a couple of personas over here. So I have this is a Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From here, I've gone into active users, and then there are a couple of users over here. So one of the user is Alex. Now, if you see over here, Alex is a user who does not have currently have any specific roles assigned in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So if you see over here, there are no roles for Alex. So just I'm just giving you a context of it. Now let's navigate to Power Platform uh, environment. So I have a lot of environment over here. Now there is one environment called as New Feature Europe. Okay, from here, if I select this option, I can navigate to membership, or if I select this environment and if I click on detailed view, then I should be able to view the environment details, and then on the right hand side I can see membership. So there are a couple of ways to navigate. Now, what this membership is, so if I click on membership, it will list down all the system administrator or the system admin users within your uh, tenant. So if you see the description, it says as a tenant admin, you can add yourself to the system administrator role in this environment and view existing users with a system administrator role. Now, if you see over here, add me is disabled because I have been already added. Okay, so I've logged in as Girish, and Girish is already being added. So add me is disabled. So a couple of things, you can add yourself into the system administrator role if you have that privilege, and you can view the list of system admin. Now, let's switch context to Alex. Okay, so I'm now logged in as Alex. So Alex is also waiving the same functionality. Okay, so let me refresh this screen. And now, if I navigate to the environment, if you see over here, I've just logged in as Alex. And now that Alex cannot see the Europe environment, right? Now, why Alex cannot see? Because Alex does not have a specific role assigned to it. Okay. Now, if I log in again as Girish, and now this time, what I'm going to do in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, I will assign Alex a role. Now, the moment I assign Alex a role, now Alex does not have any admin center access. If I click on admin center access and I'll not give him a global admin role, I'll go to show all by category, and then I'll provide him maybe Power Platform Administrator role. Okay, so if you see the description, it says full access to Dynamics 365, Power Apps, data loss prevention policies, and Power Automate. I'll click on Save. This change might take some minutes or seconds to get it updated, but let's refresh and see whether Alex has been granted that role or not. So, yeah. So I'm an Alex over here. So I've logged in as Alex. I'll just refresh this. So once I refresh the screen, I should be able to see all the other environments. So the environment in question is the new feature Europe. So I'll just click on these three dots, click on membership, and here, as Alex has been added to the Power Platform administrator role, we'll be able to add Alex as a system administrator. Now, as you see over here, as a tenant admin, you can add yourself to the system admin role. If I click on add me, then the message comes up as you are added into this role. Now, let's go into my account, Girish Uppal, and let me refresh the screen, and let me go into the membership. And if you see here, now Alex's ID has been added into the system administrator. So this is how you basically view the membership. So what happens when you click on environment and click on membership is like a screen comes up whereby it will list on all the system administrator for that particular tenant. And as a user, if you get permission, like how we did for Alex, and we click on plus add me, and that's why Alex got added into this particular environment as well. Now, Alex can perform most of the management operations. Now, remember, Alex is not added into this. Say, Alex does not have any specific role added earlier. Now, if you see here in system, if I go into the users and permission, and if I go to users, and if I see Alex Wilbur, the user which we have just added, click on manage security roles. Now, if you see the security roles over here, Alex has been granted system administrator role by the virtue of assigning the Power Platform administrator role in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So this is how you basically view the membership for that specific tenant. So that's it, folks. This is all about membership in Power Platform Admin Center. Thanks for watching.